Morning, people. Last night we went out. I slept on Emerson's floor last night. This morning is just not a hot morning, but Derpy's doing some stuff to the car today. His car is like, he's doing like a complete transformation this winter to his car. I'm not entirely sure what he's doing or what like the full plans are. I'll get him to tell you guys later, but I'm gonna go pick Emerson back up and we're gonna mission downtown, see Derpy, do some stuff. I don't really know what today's gonna entail, but let's find out. Bruv, come on, bruv.
Full race car, yeah?
You making me late, yeah? You know what I realized after I left my house?
Should've got the Bears.
I've never ripped it that fast in this car.
Bullshit.
I haven't.
I call bullshit.
I've never maxed third gear. Never like tapped out third, like on it, since we've been boosted. Oh shit. Shit. Speed mountain. Oh! Dude, this is the farthest we've ever drove this car since it's been boosted. Since we boosted this car, I literally haven't drove it other than like around our neighborhood. This is...
I told you not to.
Oh, dude, it's fucked.
Oh, so yeah, let's take the Civic to Derpy's house, huh?
Well,
I said, oh, by the way, you might crack a fender. You're like, no, don't worry about it. What'd you do?
Bruh.
Freaking cracked it again.
No.
Well played, boys. Well played.
It's funny because you actually did tell me not to take it.
I said we should take the beers and not put the windows down.
That's okay. We're gonna have to fix that though.
You. I'm not helping. I told you.
I'm not helping.
I'm not helping.
Yes, you are.
I told you not to take it.
Whatever, dude. My bad. My bad. Well, at least now we have another project for this week. Anyways, like I was saying, this is the farthest we've ever driven this car. I've literally...
Oh, you cracked the other side too.
No, I didn't. I just looked at it, dumbass. Ever since we boosted it, I've only taken it around town. Nice to see you again. This thing looks awesome. Oh, really? That's all you did? Those just springs for a 3?
Yeah. That's why I said your coilovers would work.
Yeah, they would.
Oh, no.
Oh, she's so sad, dude. Look how dirty this gets, eh? That's nasty.
Wide body shame's right here, you know? What they don't tell you at the car shows.
Yeah, exactly. What you don't see. Dude, she's haggard. Damn, dude. She's so naked. And then those are the new fenders you have right here? So that's like a lot less wide.
A lot less wide.
What's the make of these?
They're actually on Ken Gushi's 2012 car.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
they were actually the ones he used. So.
Sick.
But gotta do something about the skirt because they have this extra little bit.
Oh, it's built in?
Yeah. The original kit had like another skirt behind it.
Okay.
So I'll probably just chop mine.
Just mold them somehow to each other. Or like make it look like it goes together. And then you're just gonna what? Just take all the stickers and clean these ones up and get them painted to match?
That or I might just paint the whole car. I thought they would be like a smidge wider, but...
Yeah, they're more so just like replaceable in theory, right? For like if you crash them or whatever. They're not so much wide. Cambered in just a smidge, but that's almost like perfect. That'll be cool. I don't know if you guys remember, but when we went and did the track day with Derpy, I was showing you guys his tranny was having some issues. It was like locking in gears and like...
And I can't do like... It's kind of stuck.
When he did like change the fluids in it, there was like ball bearings and stuff in the fluid from the tranny. So yeah, after doing that, he decided he was just gonna get a new one or, well, fix it. So you wanna tell them what you got?
So yeah, I bought this tranny off of someone locally. It's like got like X amount of Ks. Probably less than mine. Mine's like 150. But this one, the guy just said he had a shifting, like notchy shifting issues. So I mean that doesn't seem like a big deal. Like it's a lot better than ball bearings coming out of here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Change it up with these synchros and do a full tear down. Just inspect everything. And...
Yeah, make sure it's good. Make sure it's kicking. But these are surprisingly tiny. Like if you look at like I've never seen it, but if you look at the size of like this tranny that's in my car and Derpy's car and everybody else, it's like a shockingly small transmission.
This is all it really is.
Yeah.
Like the bell housing has got nothing in it.
Yeah, it's literally like inches. He went out and picked up a bunch of synchros, so we have synchros for every single gear. We're just gonna help him like tear it apart, put new synchros in. I don't know, he'll inspect the rest. Hopefully that's all it needs.
Hopefully that's all it needs and hopefully it still turns.
Yeah, exactly. We're just messing around, helping him out. That's what we're doing today. We're going in with a somewhat of a plan, so I don't know where we'll end up, but dude, we need to get this in the garage or whatever, somewhere. A TV, dude. This is the best. I know our garage is small, but like, are you learning things?
Just as little rings.
Little rings? Okay, I'm gonna put this down somewhere and help you. Hey! It's just got like an RTB kind of thing, like a fake seal on it. Time to break it open.
Game stretch.
There's some fine machinery right there. I have got no idea what I'm looking at. Kind of do, but kind of don't at the same time. He's just over here hopping this. Hey Foreman, how we doing?
It's be 2 more minutes till a coffee break.
2-hour coffee break? And then how long we gotta work for when we come back? 5 minutes?
15.
15, and another coffee break?
That's lunch.
Alright, perfect. That's gonna launch off and you're never gonna be able to get it back out. See if I can zoom in on what you're doing. Oh, there it goes. A lot of these instructions have very, very like weird photos. Yeah, like you look at it and you don't really know where on the transmission the photo's based from. It's like super weird. Derp was having a good time trying to figure it all out. It's also not like a 3-person job, so Emerson is the delegator / foreman of the job site today. And then I'm just like wearing gloves, pretending I'm doing something, but I'm not doing anything. It's just Derpy, we're just watching at this point. I'm here to help, but at this point, I'm just wearing gloves. Maybe it'll just fly out once you pop that off. Oh shit.
There's one.
Shit, there's a spring here. Get whatever was there.
I'm missing another ball.
One probably went this way. Never to be found again. I think those ones are just a tiny bit too small. That's true. Even if it's a little bit smaller, if the spring accepts it, that's okay, but you'll have to test the spring first. Or does the spring just eat it right up?
No? Yeah, to me.
Just does it. I love how you're just like, oh, well, this is what we're doing, so bye. Derpy literally took one of the wheels off his longboard and popped one of the bearings out of the thingies, and it fits. So, like, what he was saying was as long as the spring doesn't eat it up, like, as long as the spring will still push on it, it should be fine. So, that's super lucky that he had that. Oh, dude. Oh, he dropped another one. What are you watching, dude?
Dude, in Japan. It doesn't look too bad.
We're talking about going to Japan, and then Derpy started showing us videos of like eating frogs and stuff in Japan, and Emerson's legit just sitting here watching like a Japanese like cooking show, trying to see what he's in for if we go. Nice. So this is what we have been hunting for. It's actually like I've never looked inside a transmission before, so I honestly don't know what I expected, but it's not this. Oh yeah, it's still complicated. Like I know how it works, but when I opened it, I just assumed there'd be more like moving parts. But I guess it's very straightforward. Are you gonna eat some of this if we go to Japan?
This? No. Not this.
There's nothing official yet. Like, I'm not gonna tell you guys, but well, I wasn't gonna tell you guys, but I kind of just did. We want to go to Japan. We're working on it. There's already the trip kind of planned. We're kind of becoming a part of it. I'll fill you in when I know more, but it should be cool. I'm stoked. I've never been there. I think it would be super cool to do, just for the experience, just to like see the culture, do some things. We're gonna do car stuff over there, so that is a bonus. Like I said, I'll fill you in when we know more. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh no.
What happened? We lost the gear. Tell them why we can't use it. What we can't do, because you know more than me.
Yeah. So yeah, we're down to like the last steps of disassembling the gearbox. We're like basically trying to press all the bearings and the gears off the shaft itself. But I screwed up and I didn't actually bring with me like one of the simple L brackets that would allow us to press the bearings off. So
that is necessary.
Yeah. Otherwise, like that's the only thing. Everything else we can, once we get that one bearing off, all the other bearings, steering pullers, everything, I have all those. But yeah, I'm sad.
Sorry, buddy. We literally got it all apart, like got it to where we were ready to start pressing things and taking things apart and start swapping these. But like he said, like we were missing just one bracket. So for today, it's gonna end here. We carnaged everything, take it all apart, throw it on the table, and that's it. Like today's just ending in carnage. So,
but if you guys need to look at something, why even we're bothering doing this, you'll see that this OEM synchro right here, it's got nothing on the liner. That gives you potentially like a notchier shift, whereas the ones we're replacing has this like carbon liner right here.
Let's see if it'll focus.
Oh, there
it is.
See the carbon liner? That makes apparently all the difference. I mean, it's a lot of money. It's like 300 bucks for this.
300 bucks for the 6 gears, 300 US for the 6 gears?
Yeah, which is like $1 million Canadian, but these stupid gears and this whole transmission bin part, that's all we're doing. I mean, now's a good time to change your gear ratios, but I don't have $1,400 for a set of gear ratios.
If that's what you're doing, but that's not what you're doing, so.
Cool, I'll see you soon.
Have a good night.
Yes.
Good luck. Yo, tell the people what you just got.
No, yeah, it's part of the. It's hidden.
Why?
These mystery parts were just.
Oh, but it's the no. It's the. This is one part you can tell them. It's not a big deal.
No.
We're not gonna tell them about like the kit or the motor, but show them this at least. It's not a big deal. Sponsored by Derpy. Sponsored by Derpy. Emerson has been showing me that exact thing for like.
Because I didn't know if it was the whole. We're going this way.
He's been showing me that exact same thing on Amazon for like months. He's like, should I buy this? Should I buy this? 1 month.
Because we're trying to figure out if we need to tub the car or not tub the car, which makes me either buy this or not buy this.
Well, that's dark. I completely forgot to end this video last night. The Civic was giving us trouble on the way home. I think we need to change the distributor. Not misfiring, but like it's having a lot of issues and it'll like stop running properly and then it'll just randomly start working again. And like that one video where I showed you guys, it was just like cutting itself off at like 2,000 RPMs and then like letting it go and not. It'll just like randomly backfire while you're driving like on throttle because it's like misfiring, I think. So the distributor needs to be replaced for sure. And then once the distributor is replaced, I think it should run a bit better. So I don't know, it's probably an easy fix, but it's something that we got to look into because it was running fine, but it just like has its moments where it's a huge pain in the ass and it like died in the middle of an intersection and we were literally dead center of the intersection, dead stop, and the light went red and Emerson had to like get out and run the Civic through the street and it's like there was no time to even record it or anything. So it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but we're working on it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was more of just like a hanging out session, calm, relaxed video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely learned today that I do not want to ever open up a transmission to work on it unless I absolutely have to, because it took us like all day just to get it apart. It's a huge job, so it's not fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.